Yo, what's up guys? Today we'll be having sushi. Alright guys, this is my favorite sushi spot in Whittier. I've made reels of this place in stories, but I figured it's about time I do a whole video, so here we go. I got this for dinner. It's like a 30-minute drive, so it's not the best. I'm trying my best with this, you know, and I would have think that I would get it home, so you know, whatever. I should just totally script that. I know I'm not supposed to do this, but I've done this so much as a kid. Growing up and eating sushi, I just gotta do it. I'll still put wasabi on sushi, but I gotta do this. Alright guys, if you guys watch my story, then you know where I got the sushi from. It's in Whittier. It's my favorite spot. It's family owned. I've known them for like 5 years, over 5 years. I always try to support as much as I can, especially during these times. They have an amazing happy hour, and I go there all the time. That's like almost all day, so it's hard to miss. This is their popcorn shrimp roll. It's just like crispy popcorn shrimp on top of California roll. I normally get their salmon roll, and then I love Masago, so gotta have my Masago. I love seaweed salad as well, just to get that the refresher, especially with ginger. And this is kind of like, I think it's like a spicy mayo. Oh, so good. So I'm gonna drizzle this on top. I gotta kind of see what I'm doing though, because I'm gonna eat it. Teriyaki. Just like a light drizzle. Yeah, light drizzle. There you go. That looks professionally poured. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Let's go. Let's take a first hit of this popcorn shrimp roll. Oh, cheers, y'all. Oh yeah. So good. Even though it took me a while to set up, it was a half-an-hour drive from the restaurant. Still good, my god. And like, there's not a lot of breading on the shrimp. Some sushi places is like a tiny bit of shrimp and like 3 times the breading. This one you can literally You can like bite into the shrimp. It's really good. So palate cleanser. So good. Ginger is good for you too. So always a benefit to eat ginger. And I don't eat ginger on a regular basis. So when I eat sushi, I try to eat as much as I can. I love sushi. I love going to this place. Oh my god, so good. So it's called Tokyo Town. It's in Whittier. If you guys are in town, definitely stop by and check them out. I'll leave all the information in the description, no doubt. This should have been the first hit. Well, I didn't really say first hit, but for that last one. So, second hit of this. Get some little soy sauce in there. If you guys don't understand what a palate cleanser is, a lot of times when you eat raw fish, the flavor is so faint. And there's like a lot of light flavors involved. And after eating something like this, when you eat something even lighter flavor, you won't taste anything. So a palate cleanser, like something like ginger or seaweed, it helps take away like all the heavy flavors of the teriyaki, the mayo, the spices. So when you eat something like this, you can I guess you can pick up more of the flavor whenever you cleanse your palate after. A good example is when you drink something super sweet and then you drink something lightly sweet. That lightly sweet tastes very bland because you just drink something very, very sweet. So. I love sushi. Oh my god. The crunch of that ginger is so good. Oh my god. So if you ask me what my favorite food is, that kind of changes depending on how I feel, who I'm with, what's new, what I've tried lately. But the best question to figure out what someone really likes is their death row meal. What is their last meal? What is the last thing someone wants to eat? That is what their favorite food really is, deep down. So mine, this is my death row meal. Oh, I'm gonna put some wasabi on this. I don't know if I'm gonna enjoy this or not. Not too much soy sauce. It's spicy. Ooh, crying. Wow, that's a lot. Whoa. Teriyaki on this. I love Masago. I get this as much as I can. Look, it's not fishy at all. It's so good. You know what? Screw it. Last time was pretty fun. I'm gonna do it again. Maybe not as much. I almost bit my finger. That wasn't too bad. It was not bad at all. Ooh, let's get some hot sauce. You got cute little packets of hot sauce. Pretty darn good with sriracha. I'm kind of getting there. I want to eat this Masago while I can still enjoy it. What I like to do is, when there's like a little bit on the bottom, I like to kind of grab it up if I can. Or I'll put this with this. Oops. I'll try to finish the shrimp, but I'll leave the California roll since it's imitation crab meat, so it's not real meat. Well, slight fish paste in there, but I can live with that.
And grab all the eggs and put on top of the salmon roll. Cool, perfect.
Salmon Masago roll. I think I'm at my limit. Alright. Just these two, then I'm done. Okay, just one. You know what? I said I wasn't gonna kill it, but it's only 3 more bites. I'm gonna try. My dog is dreaming right now. Jojo! She just woke up. I think I'm gonna leave that in the recording. She's so cute. If you guys follow my story, you know who my dog is. You know who Jojo is. I walk her all the time. That's it. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.